soccer practice. I'm with the homie. Damn, look at my shit. Pinche la pinta, bro. Yeah, bro. Niggas ain't gonna hear me, bro. Oh, he's gonna copyright. A la verga, es un tacuache. What the fuck is that? That's a fucking cat, huh? Es un pinche gato, mamón. Nah, but we out here with Jesus Longbed, or Longbed Jesus.
Am I perfect?
I don't know, bro. But he just bought a new truck, so we out here, bro. What's the name of the truck, bro?
The Latinos.
Latinos, bro, because that bitch purple.
Bro, he's not even driving. Why is he walking around?
Where you at?
No, never mind. That's my little brother.
Oh, nigga, who the fuck driving, bro? Oh, we're finna cut to where we're down there, because we're just chilling right here.
Indica para relax y se activa para andar acelerado. Me pongo un toque de guas, algo debe para pasar un buen rato.
Ah, su puta madre.
Oh, shit, bro.
Es que toca un correazo, güey.
Damn, toca la de Chuy Mauricio. Damn, la de Chuy Mauricio. Ah, su puta madre, valió verga. Tacuache gone wild, bro.
Andas valiendo verga.
Damn. Damn, ahí va mi pinche compa Esteban en el pinche metro. Verga, güey. Ah, su puta madre. I don't know how to drive, bro. Did you see that, dude? You recorded it? Fuck, I didn't record that. This motherfucker almost hit you in the side, nigga. Hey, he gonna kill me, hey. Yo, bitch gonna kill me, bro. What the fucking terrorist, nigga? Cause you seen how that bitch almost hit the side we're on? A la verga,
It was you, because you threw away the fucking card.
It was closer to him, bro. Fuck, hey. I'm gonna put the YouTube name as, hey, tarot card readings. Fuck those over. That's all YouTube name.
Alright, bro. Ándale.
So anyway,
Sí que me cut.
let me see. Hey, todo eso lo come el güey. Hey, do you have the mayonnaise on your fucking shirt?
Nigga, it has seasoning from your body.
What bitch y'all trying to get number from?
We forgot to videotape Latinos. I was already home, bro, so I had to come back.
Latino está bien chingón.
Nah, I'm playing. I've been here my whole fucking day, bro.
For real. His mom already called.
Oh, God, bro. Shit, like,
What you got, mom, bro? You talking about?
Man, bro, I ain't got nothing.
You wanna see?
No, bro.
You recording?
Damn, güey. A la verga. Hasta que salga el cucuy, güey. Pinche nalgón, hijo de su puta madre.
Damn, nigga, what you doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon, hella ass. The sun is still out, man.
Oh shit, my bad. Damn, ¿qué trae Freddy LSX acá, güey?
El garage.
El pinche Freddy, güey. El Freddy LSX, güey. Pues aquí está nomás, aquí está la pinche.
What's up, bro?
What's it, what?
Look,
Did you not see the fucking rat over there?
it's a rat.
Pendejos.
Pendejo, don't go through it. Hey, this nigga hit it.
El pinche spider. Anyway, so this is la Thanos way. De pinche Don Chewy. No. Aquí está la pinche donor way. What you swapping in it, bro?
Transmission and engine.
A la verga. Yeah, el mecánico with the fucked up leg gonna carry it.
He said the mechanic with the fucked up leg about to carry it. Vale, verga la puta, güey. Está abierto desde 1979.
Boozy, bro. The OBS, bro. The OBS. Damn, this shit kind of clean. I ain't gonna crap. Who you gonna have in the passenger seat?
Karen, bro.
Oh, es este.
He doubted,
Es mamalón el vato.
He said it in the camera, too.
Es mamalón.
Ya llegó el pinche mandilón, qué pedo.
Yo no soy mandilón.
Wait, he belonged to one girl. What about you, Jose?
Waking up every day and still being fucking ugly.
¿Cuál de todas?
A la verga. La que te hace brujería, güey. A la verga. Anyways.
You want to see the VA inside, bro?
Yeah, this shit. What cammed or what?
Yeah, Cam.
Cammed and everything, bro. Is it a 6.2, right?
Yes, sir.
Eh, va a enseñar el motor, güey. I heard he got a cam on it and shit. It's turbo, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, shit, güey.
Güey, ¿qué le falta, güey?
El intake's right here, güey. Míralo. Ahora se lo quebro, güey. A la verga.
Bro, go
Está chingón, está chingón.
Whenever you go in there.
Ok. ¿Ya prendió, güey?
It's on, bro.
Damn, you got a sleeper. I can't hear the engine. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Right? This shit look mean as fuck, nigga.
Nigga, grab my ear, look at me. Nigga, get me the fuck out of here, my legs hurt, bro. Nigga, step out. Nigga, I'm about to...
Dile al pendejo del chofer que no pase muy recio por aquí porque le voy a volar el pinche carro de la Pepsi a la verga.
Cansado de estar siempre encerrado, hay que llamar la clica para relajo. Las jainitas ya se están alistando, esta noche va